What the hell is going on, guys? So today, all I really wanted to do is thank you guys for the amount of support that you guys have given me over the past 18 months or so since I started really making a lot of videos on YouTube. I've never really done a giveaway before, so it'll kind of be something new for me. But I really wanted to appreciate and show you guys some love with respect to, hitting 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 750 subscribers. Now we're getting up to the high 800s in terms of subscribers. So what my goal is once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will choose one lucky one of you to give you an Amazon gift card. Still trying to decide on what the amount is. I would say anywhere probably between $50, $100, just to show you guys some support and love, and really trying to show you guys that I really appreciate all the feedback that you guys give me in terms of in the comment section, telling me what you want to hear, or just keeping me engaged with respect to what your investment strategies are, or your dividend investment strategy. So really just wanted to reach out to you guys and say thank you. I appreciate everything that you guys say in the comment section. And I really hope that you guys continue to watch my journey. In the next 12 months or so, I'll easily get $6,000 in dividend income. That's not even including the money that I could get from my 401k if I were to switch that to an individual brokerage account. Easily get another $4,000 from that. But obviously, 2019, I'll be setting goals for 2019 and 2020 in the next 6 months or so. So be prepared to look out for that. And really just on the continued journey to financial freedom and dividend investing, and keeping you guys educated on what I'm learning, so that way I can research and do a lot of the hard labor, and you guys can benefit from it while I do what I love to do, which is learn about investing and learn about dividend investing and different businesses and how they're run and whatnot. So let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and one of you guys will be walking away with $50 to $100 in Amazon gift cards, or something else if you decide you want me to buy you a stock or something like that. I'd be very open to that. I just don't know how the logistics of that would work. So like I said, thanks again, and I'll talk to you guys soon enough. Well, I'll just show you guys the quick graph of how many subscribers. So thanks to you guys, I'm able to get close anywhere between 3 to 5 subscribers a day. Sometimes it jumps up to 7 or 8, and that's just over the past year or so. I've had this account since 2010, but I never really did anything with it until December of 2016. So thankfully for you guys, I've gained over 700 subscribers in the last year. And I really started only in December of 2016. So it's definitely been a very fun journey. I've taken a lot of time in putting up some of these videos, not to make any money or anything like that, but more for my hobby and really keeping my interest alive, and documenting what I'm trying to do here, which is get my financial independence. So thanks again, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Look forward to picking out the lucky winner.